Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, of course, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So we're going to be going in with my square extra short soft gel full nail covers. As always, you guys already know the drill. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. Links to everything I mentioned will be down below. I'm only going to say that, well, I'm only going to try and say that once in this video. But I'm just going in and sizing them out, making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. These are a bestseller in my Etsy shop. You guys absolutely love this shape and this size, and I do love it as well. But yeah, I'm just going in and sizing them out before we go on ahead and get started with our design. So I'm going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel. This product is amazing. It's also available for purchase in my Etsy shop, but I just love it because it's super versatile. You can use this product to apply your full nail covers like I'm doing here. As you see, all I'm doing is going in and applying a pea-size amount to the full nail cover, and these are soft gel full nail covers, by the way. And then I just simply press it right onto my nail, and it's super easy. It's like a putty texture, but you can use it to apply nail covers. You can also use it to apply any type of bling or decor that you want to put on your nails. And then you can also use this to actually make shapes and apply them to your nails as well. So if you wanted to add a big rhinestone, you can use this. If you wanted to create your own bow or heart or star or whatever you wanted to create, you can create that with this product, apply it to your nail, and then color it with gel polish or whatever. So it's super versatile, and I really do love this product. Honestly, another tip, I use this to adhere like random stuff. Like if I have a mug handle that broke, you can actually use this going with a UV light to cure it, and like it's crazy how versatile this product is. So if you have it, that's a nice little tip for you. But as I said, I'm just going in and applying these to my nails. I do apply them to all 4 or 5 of my fingers. I do my thumb separately, but I do it to all 4 fingers first and cure, just to eliminate the time my hand is in and out of that UV lamp. You should probably really use a UV fingerless gloves. I do have some, but I always just forget to put them on, but I do recommend using that if you do your nails pretty often like I do. So now we're just going to go in and shape my nails. Soft gel nail covers, these are pre-shaped for you, so this really eliminates the time for shaping. But as you can see, I did have a bit of solid nail tip glue gel that was squeezed on the border around my nail, and all I did was went in with a cuticle nipper and I just nipped that. It's just easier to nip it with a cuticle nipper than to file it down. And really all I'm doing is going in and making the tops of my nails straight. That's about as much shaping as you'll need to do with these nails. Dusting all of that off, we're going to go in with, I'm going in with probably one of my favorite OPI shades. This is called Let's Be Friends. It's the most beautiful pink white. Well, it's really a white with like a soft pink. And I'm going to be honest, I actually did do a design for these nails. The video was supposed to be way longer, but I ended up doing a design and I hated it. So I actually removed the design and just painted over. So My nails kind of do look a little wonky at the end, I'm not gonna lie. They do look a little wonky. Only the two that had the design on them, but you know, you make do with what you have. If I was actually doing these nails on myself, I would 100% start over. But I just went in and I did 2 layers of this OPI polish, and for each layer I cured for about 30 to 45 seconds. So here's layer 1. If you wanted that like thin layer, you can absolutely do that, but I always do 2 layers of OPI polishes. And this one I did purchase off of, I believe it was Beyond Gel Polish. It's hard to get OPI gel polish if you don't have a nail license. I do not, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down below to where I purchased mine from without the need of that license. I forgot cuticle oil in this video, but don't forget your cuticle oil. Here are the final nails. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.